Alrighty, math teachers, first few days of school, have you thought about using the Transformations app on your TI to help review functions and get familiar with their calculator? Follow-up question, did you even know that a Transformations app exists on this thing? We'll start by hitting apps. It's the last option. So I'm going to arrow up and you'll see transform. Let's hit enter and then enter one more time and it brings us back to that home screen. But when I hit Y equals, you're going to see this play pause button to the left-hand side there. I'm going to hover over that and hit enter and it brings up this menu. I can change the color of my line, how we transform, and we even have options for pre-built equations if we don't want to type them in. But I'm going to go back to that linear equation for this one. So I'll arrow down to OK, hit enter, and it plugs it in for me. Now when I go to graph this thing, I'm going to suggest hitting zoom and going to option 6 standard so we all get in the same window. We hit enter on that and now we have this line. Yours might look a little different than mine, but we can all get back to a slope of 1 and a y-intercept of 0 if that's where you want to start. Let's just hit 1. See how it plugs it in for A there? I'll hit enter and then I arrow down to get to B and I can choose 0, hit enter, and there we go. We all have the same line now. From here, I'm going to arrow back up to A, and I can go left and right with my arrows to increase and decrease my slope, even going to a slope of 0 or a negative slope. Then I can arrow down to B, and I can go left and right once again to change that y-intercept. And you can even go in different intervals, type whatever you want. That's a little more advanced in the setup, which I have a long-form video showing a little more detail of this transformation app if you'd like to check it out. But that's about it for now. Hope you guys have an awesome day.